Hello everyone, this is Aziz from Photopedia. When I started photography, I didn't know how to edit my images. Back then, I had to apply Instagram filters for the photos that I shot. Unfortunately, Instagram compresses the posted pictures, and with that, the resolution will drop. To achieve the preset look with the original resolution, follow these steps. In Instagram, go to the options screen. Go to the setting menu, scroll down to account. Enter original posts. Turn the saved posted photos option on. Now let's post an image. Look at this image that I shot using Nikon D3400. Check out its resolution before posting it. Now let's post it with the X Pro 2 filter applied. Get out of Instagram. Open your gallery. Instagram folder. Now you can find the image in its original resolution with Instagram preset filter applied. For new photographers, what I have just shown you is a great way to edit your images. However, my advice to you is to start learning Photoshop, Lightroom, or Capture One or any editing program that you're comfortable with. Now look at the image that I edited using Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like for more videos.